Welcome to my newest vlog. Today we're in Millennia in Chula Vista at this newest coffee shop that just opened up 2 weeks ago. It's super cute. They were in a blue shipping container at first for a whole year until she waited until she got all her permits. So we're super excited to take a look. Come on, let's go. So I ordered a matcha with whole milk and it's so good. Hey guys, today we are in Kensington and we're going to feature a house that's 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath, 1,440 square foot, and it was actually built in 1930 and fully renovated. So I'm excited to show you. Come on, let's take a look. So as you can see, this is the actual living area and it's actually nice and bright. You have real wood floors that you can refinish. They redid the windows. You have dual pane windows and you actually can't hear the noise. So right now the door is open. You can hear some traffic, but you can't hear the noise when we close it. And then you have your tile chimney fireplace and it's so beautifully done, very modern looking. And yeah, and you can just kind of like sit here and entertain your guests. So I think it's really nice. As you can see, it flows right into the dining area and this is a 4-seater. And it's actually really nice and spacious and you've got really great lighting here. And I just love all the lighting fixtures. And it also features 4 bar stools where you can entertain freely to all your guests and still have enough room for your guests to eat. And then I love this little coffee station. So you can enjoy your coffee in the morning, come here, and also just look outside and just enjoy your morning. And then here is the kitchen. So if you are a cook, you are gonna love this kitchen because it has the vent up here. It does have an electric oven, but you can also switch it out to gas. And then you can still entertain your guests. And then while you're washing your dishes, you can look out the window. And it's really great lighting, great features. And then it has the soft closing drawers. And bonus, you have this little nook room here that you can either make into an office or you can make it into another breakfast room. And you still have like, nice windows to look out of. And yeah, it's just like you can make it into whatever you want. Or you can make it into a little gym. And then you also have this laundry area, and it's really cute. You can do your laundry here. You can also open it up to the backyard, and this is where the garage area is. You can actually watch your palm tree. So I think it's really cute space. So now let's go check out the bedrooms. So here we have 1 full bath, and as you can see, it's got really nice gold fixtures on there. They redid everything in here. And then you have bedroom 1, and it's got a walk-in closet. And you also have recessed lighting, LED recessed lighting. And you have a new fan, very modern looking. And then you also have your second bedroom, which is actually really spacious, very good size. And as you can see, all the doors are replaced, all the fixtures on the doors are replaced. And then you have your master. And then here in your master, you have your full bathroom. And it's very, very big. So that's the end of our tour, and this house is placed in, again, the city of Kensington. Kensington is a beautiful area, very desirable area. We are surrounded by lots of new boutiques, restaurants, and bars. So I'm really excited to show you a few boutiques in Kensington. So let's go. Now we are in the heart of Kensington. We are in the midst of all the coffee shops, the boutiques, and all the restaurants. So I'm excited to show you. Let's go. So the first boutique that we're going to check out is called Home Ec. So I'm excited to check it out. Let's go. Let's go. You can make your own bouquet here. And look at these cards, so cute. Oh, look at these, these are so cute. Oh, I love these. Oh, this is making me happy.
I just usually I like to place this.
I love this one.
Isabel will meet you there.
Oh, I need one of these. I want one of these. Check it out. I think I'll get this. We definitely need to take you to the Loose Coffee Shop in Little Italy, so we'll take you there next. Oh my god, how cute! I think I'm gonna get her these because it's her birthday on Saturday. Oh, I'll get her these. So I ended up getting the tea bag, or the loose tea, because I really like this part. And then I got my little spoon to stir my coffee. I'm little happy. So right next to Home Ec, we're gonna check out another cute boutique called Bench Home. Let's go check out Papa Lecco's. It's a really cute coffee shop and gelato. Hey guys, so you know we have to end the vlog with a workout. So come with me and let's work out our upper body. Let's go. Already won. Never be defeated. Already won. Already won. Never be defeated. hope you guys enjoyed that workout, and I hope you guys enjoyed the property tour in Kensington and all the shops that we toured. If you guys want any information regarding that property or any locations in San Diego, feel free to reach out to me. See you later.